Hello friends, welcome back to our channel where we always bring you the most recent and helpful content about business ideas and much more. In today's video, we are going to discuss the top 5 best business ideas for 2025 that require a low initial investment. So if you are someone who is interested in starting a business with very less investment, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can get the most out of it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting notified when we publish new videos. Now let's get started with the first business idea on our list, which is starting a social media marketing agency. Starting a social media marketing agency is one of the best business ideas for 2025 because there is a huge demand for it. Every business needs to have a strong social media presence in order to succeed, which means that there will always be a need for social media marketers. The best part about this business idea is that you don't need to invest a lot of money to get started. All you need is a laptop or desktop, an internet connection, and some basic knowledge of social media marketing. You can start by offering your services to small businesses in your area, and as you grow, you can expand your client base and offer more services. The second business idea on our list is starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is another great business idea that does not require a lot of money to get started. In fact, you can start a dropshipping business with just a few $100s. All you need to do is find a good product to sell, create a website, and list the product for sale. When you make a sale, you will need to purchase the product from a supplier who will ship it directly to your customer. This means that you don't need to handle any inventory or shipping, which can save you a lot of time and money. The third business idea on our list is starting a blog. If you are a good writer, then starting a blog is a great business idea for you. You can start a blog on a platform and write articles on topics that you are passionate about. Once you start getting traffic to your blog, you can monetize it by displaying ads or by selling products or services related to the topics you write about. The fourth business idea on our list is starting a YouTube channel. If you are a creative person, then starting a YouTube channel is a great business idea for you. You can create videos on topics that you are passionate about and share them on YouTube. Once you start getting views on your videos, you can monetize your channel by displaying ads or by selling products or services related to the topics you create videos about. The fifth and final business idea on our list is starting an e-commerce store. If you have an interest in fashion, beauty, or any other product category, then starting an e-commerce store is a great business idea for you. You can start by sourcing products from suppliers and then selling them on your own website. This can be a very profitable business idea as you can sell products at a markup and you don't need to worry about shipping or inventory. We have come to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and comment down below what other topics you would like us to cover in future videos. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.